Welcome to another heartwarming episode of Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen. Today we are simmering up a delicious and comforting dish, pumpkin and farinheira soup, a rustic blend of vegetables and traditional Portuguese sausage that's perfect for cozy days. Pumpkin and farinheira soup. Half a pumpkin, 2 carrots, 2 yellow potatoes, 1 onion, 1 zucchini, 1 farinheira sausage, chives, salt to taste. In a large pot with water, add all the vegetables and the farinheira except the chives. Season with a bit of salt. Once the vegetables are cooked, remove the farinheira and one of the carrots. Peel the farinheira and return it to the pot. Blend everything in the pot using a hand blender until smooth. Dice the reserved carrot and add it back to the soup with the chopped chives. Adjust seasoning if needed and simmer for another 5 minutes. That's it! A rich, creamy soup with the smoky depth of farinheira. Thanks for joining us in Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen, where every spoonful brings tradition to the table. See you next time! Faça e coma!